Chicken feet hold a significant culinary presence across a spectrum of cultures, each region infusing its distinctive flavors and cooking techniques into this humble ingredient. In East Asia, notably China, Korea, and Japan, chicken feet, affectionately known as phoenix claws, are celebrated for their gelatinous texture. In China, they're often braised in a savory mixture of soy sauce, black bean sauce, and spices, while in Korea, they undergo a fiery transformation with spicy sauces like gochujang. Japan takes a different approach, utilizing chicken feet to enrich broths or incorporating them into hearty soups and stews. Journeying to the Caribbean, chicken feet find themselves simmering in tantalizing stews infused with a symphony of flavors: thyme, garlic, onion, and the fiery kick of Scotch bonnet peppers. These stewed delicacies, often served with rice or bread, are a testament to the region's vibrant culinary heritage. Venturing further into South America, Brazil showcases its culinary prowess by incorporating chicken feet into coxinhas de galinha, deep-fried chicken croquettes bursting with seasoned meat. In Peru, the feet lend their essence to soul-warming soups and stews, adding depth and character to every spoonful. Meanwhile, in South Africa, affectionately dubbed walkie-talkies, chicken feet take center stage in hearty stews brimming with tomatoes, onions, and spices, often accompanied by pap, a comforting maize porridge. Across these diverse landscapes, chicken feet symbolize more than just a culinary delicacy. They embody the rich tapestry of culture, tradition, and ingenuity woven into every dish.